in front of me new iPad Air 2022, the 5th generation, and the just Wi-Fi edition, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box by default. So here we got the paper box, the first one, and also we got here the new original Apple charger brick with all of the specs here inside the box. That's the supercharger brick. So the answer to the question, yeah, the iPad Air comes with the charger brick inside the box by default. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.